Hi friends, in today's lecture we will study how to make this geometry in Autocad. So let us first explore how to make this geometry. We will start by making a small rectangle of 60 units by 60 units. That will be this rectangle. Then we will chamfer the edges. The vertical chamfer would be 10 and the horizontal chamfer would be 15, and we would repeat the chamfer command across the four corners of the rectangle. Then we'll draw these four circles of 8 dia, and then we'll draw these two rectangles of 15 units by 20 units. And finally, we'll make this hexagon. So let us begin the process. We'll start by making the rectangle 60 units by 60 units. So I'll pan the image a bit to the left, and then I type the rectangles command and hit enter. I click on the start point anywhere over here, and I give the distance as 60 units by 60 units and hit enter. Now I want to chamfer the edges, so I will type chamfer and hit enter. Then I will type D for distance. The first distance I will give it as 10 units, and the second distance I will give it as 15 units. Then I will begin the chamfer. So this is my vertical line, this is my horizontal line, and it is chamfered. Again I repeat the same command, chamfer. This is my vertical line, this is my horizontal line. Again I repeat the same command. This is the vertical line and this is the horizontal line. And again the last time, this is the vertical line and this is the horizontal line. So we got the chamfered rectangle. Now we'll proceed with drawing these four circles of 8 dia. So for this, we'll use the center diameter command, and we'll track the center point this way and click over here and give a diameter of 8 units and hit enter. Now we will mirror this circle to the right. So I will type the mirror command and hit enter. Select the objects to mirror. This is the circle and I hit enter. Specify the first point of mirrored line. Specify the second point of mirrored line, and the object gets mirrored. Now we'll mirror these two objects below. So again I type mirror and hit enter. Select the objects to mirror. Then I will hit enter. Specify the first point of mirrored line. Specify the second point of mirrored line, and the objects get mirrored. Then I want to draw these center marks. So I'll come out of the mirror command and then type CM for center mark and click over here, click over here, click over here and click over here, and then come out of the center mark. I want to reduce the line thickness of the center mark. So I select the center mark and change the line thickness to default. Select the center mark and change the line thickness to default. Select the center mark and change the line thickness to default. Now we want to draw this rectangle of 15 units by 20 units. So again, we type rectangle and we hit enter. We'll click at the first point. Then we give 15 units and 20 units and hit enter. Now we want to move this rectangle. So we will move this rectangle by using the move command. Hit enter. Click on the object. Hit enter. Select the base point of displacement, that is center of this, and the base point of displacement is center of this, and hit enter. Then we mirror this line, this rectangle to the right. So we type mirror and hit enter. We select the object. We hit enter. First point of mirror line is mid of this. Second is this. Now we want to trim the extra spaces. So I come out of the mirror command. Then I type trim. Then I click here and again here. Then click here and again here. So that is done. Now we want to draw the polygon. So we will first use the center line command. So I'll come out of the trim command. I will type center line and draw one center line with reference to these two lines, and one more center line with reference to these two lines. Then I will change the line thickness of the center line to default. And then I will use this same center point and draw one polygon. So I will type the polygon commands and hit enter. Number of sides, so I want a hexagon, so I will type 6. Specify the center point of the polygon, it is this, and it is asking me whether you want it inscribed or you want it circumscribed. So since it's giving us from year to year, we'll select circumscribed and we'll hit enter. Specify the radius, so the radius we'll give it as 10 units and hit enter. Now we have to rotate this polygon, so we use the rotate command and hit enter. Click on the object to rotate, hit enter, specify the base point, this, and rotation angle 90 degrees, hit enter. So that is also done. We'll reduce the thickness of these lines so that they look better. So we select this, and instead of 0.50 we make it to 0.35. We select this, this. So all the objects which we want, we'll select them. And we select, change the line thickness to 0.35. This looks better. Then we'll press escape. Now we want to draw the dimensions. So it is very simple. We'll ensure that we change the layer to dimension, and then we use the linear dimensioning. We select from year to year and give the linear dimensioning as 60. Ensure that the line thickness for this layer is set to default. Again, we want linear dimensioning. Just let's ensure that line thickness is default, and then linear dimensioning from here to here, and we want 10 units. And again, linear dimensioning from here to here is 20 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here is 15 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here, it is 15 units. Then again, linear dimensioning from here to here, it is 20 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to midpoint of this, it is 30 units. Again, linear dimensioning from here to here, it is 15 units. And finally, again, linear dimensioning from here to here, 60 units. Then linear dimensioning from here to midpoint of this, 30 units. And finally, for the circle, we have to select diametric dimensioning and click over here and give the dimension. And you want to write down into 4. So click here and type into 4. Then press escape to come out of the dimensioning mode, and our geometry is ready. So friends, hope you have learned something new in this video. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and we'll see you again in the next video. Till that time, goodbye.